Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy quick. Start by collecting hot pan drippings and set them over medium heat. Whisk in measured fat and flour to form a smooth roux, cooking until golden. Slowly add warm stock while whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Simmer gently until thickened, then adjust salt and pepper to taste, and finish with a splash of cream or soy for richness and shine. In this video, I will show how to make gravy quick. Prep a whisk, strainer, and a sturdy saucepan, and keep your stock hot nearby. Melt fat over medium heat and add flour, whisking until the roux smells toasty and turns golden. Slowly pour warm stock in a thin stream while whisking to form a velvety sauce. Finish with seasoning, reduce heat if needed, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make gravy quick. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music, timers, and hands-free control while you cook, and it pairs perfectly with busy kitchen moments. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make gravy quick. After removing meat, deglaze the pan with a splash of wine, vinegar, or stock to free flavorful brown bits fast. Stir in herbs, a spoon of mustard, or a dash of soy for immediate complexity. Taste and adjust seasoning in small increments. If thicker than desired, thin with hot stock. If thin, simmer briefly to concentrate and achieve the right body.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.